What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release April 30th. But before we get into the main attraction, if you haven't already seen my full review of the Air Jordan Retro 9 Chili Red, please go ahead and do so. It is live. And if you're interested in picking these joints up, you can head over to the website, Fineline 1721, shipping out right now ahead of the release date of May 7th. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see right here, we have that standard Air Jordan Retro 13 box, silver all over with the red Jumpman logo. Peel this paper back. Let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a quick little 180 look of the Air Jordan Retro 13 Brave Blue. Now these joints right here is supposed to be the mid-top version of the low top that released, I believe, in the first run of Air Jordan Retro 13s all the way back in 1998. As we take a look at the front profile of the shoe, navy blue sock liner, black tongue, university blue Jumpman logo, black laces, black tab, white Jordan branded right here at the bottom of the lace. Standard kind of tumbled leather that every Air Jordan Retro 13 has right here on the toe. Flipping around to the lateral side of the shoe, have the navy blue uppers, got the hologram bubble, standard kind of suede right here on the ankle and the heel, wrapping around to the mud guard. We got the white paws right here on the bottom of the midsole, heading down to a blacked out outsole with mixtures of white herringbone traction, navy blue accents, navy blue carbon fiber, university blue background sitting behind the black Jumpman branding. Taking a look at the medial side of the shoe, same exact color pattern as the lateral side. Got the navy blue upper with a 3M layer beneath it as well. Clean colorway in my opinion. I'm a big fan of the Flint 13 and I'm also a big fan of the low top navy. So if you are a fan of those colorways, these right here will probably be no different and you would probably like these as well. So if you dig in the colorway and you're a fan of these and you want to pick them up before the release date, you can head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. They are shipping out now. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.